Hey everyone, this is kind of a cool one. I like trying to find as much uses as I can for the tools that I buy, obviously, because they're expensive, and I want to get the best use I can out of them. So I have this job where I have to make these pipe connections, and they have to get poked like this. So these get welded together. So I have a regular hole saw style tubing notcher, and it is awful. I hate it so much. If it fell into my scrap bin, I might not even pick it up. So that's my distaste for that. But so this is an angular cutter. This is my Ram and Turner milling machine. So 3 horsepower first. But yeah, this is an angular cutter, just like the ones that you put in like a mag drill. So I I have some more of these little pipe connections here to make, and so I have it set up in kind of like a jig fashion. So I line up my piece with the end of my vise and tighten the vise down, and then right now the piece is touching the angular cutter. So then I zero out my DRO. If you don't have a DRO, obviously you could just read the numbers on the side of the scale. But yeah, so I want to do a 1/2 inch notch in. So I just go over until I'm at a 1/2 or so. That's enough. And then I make sure that I'm centered over top of the pipe. The angular cutter should be the same size or very close to the tubing you're trying to notch. It should be the same size as the tube that's going in there, basically. So these are schedule 80 1-inch diameter pipes. So these are about 1 inch and 5/16, inch and 3/8, give or take, somewhere around there. So this is 1 inch and 3/8 angular cutter. Yeah, so give her a little spray and turn the mill on. Just like that, you've got a pretty awesome notch. I'd suggest putting more spray on there than that, but I'm trying to use the hand camera, and you know how it is. If you've got a longer piece, I would probably suggest just throwing a level or having some D-blocks or something to hold the pipe, just so you don't end up with an out of plane cut. But this is sitting on both sides of the vise in small pieces. Yeah. That's a thing that I'm doing, and I thought it was kind of cool, and I thought I'd share it with you. So yeah, hope you enjoyed.